How to track your Shein order. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of Me. Once you're in the Me page, you're going to find different sections over here. Under My Orders, you're going to find different options. Head towards the option of Processing. Now in this page, you're going to find all the items that are in the process to be shipped. Click on the order that you're going to track. Scrolling down, you're going to find the details of the product. You'll see the order number. You have to copy it. Once you copy the order number, you can close this app, then launch your preferred browser. Now type in Shein tracking and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Shein order tracking. Different website links will appear. Open this one website, Shein order tracking. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now over here, you can paste the order number. Then click on this icon. With that, you're going to find all the details of your product. It's gonna show where is your product right now. So this way you can easily track your Shein order. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.